Today, we get to the bottom of this viral glitter grout.
This doesn't look like the TikTok either. What did they use in this TikTok? When you spend $300 on glitter grout.
I need answers!
Hey everyone, so today we are doing a very exciting video. In this video, I am on a mission. Okay? We're not gonna be testing multiple TikTok renovation things like we usually do. We are going to be testing one that I have tested 2 times in the past and it won't work for me! Glitter grout caught my eye, as well as, I don't know, 110 million other people. The TikTok in question, this, 113 million views. Like, you can't say this isn't sparking interest, because here we are. I've even tested it twice. I tiled a shower with glitter grout that I mixed myself, and then I bought store-bought glitter grout and put it on the floor. It didn't work. Yes, there was a little bit of glitter, but not like the TikTok. What are they using in this TikTok? I've seen your comments, I'm always reading them, and the overall thought is this is Hemway glitter grout. So that's exactly what I bought, and that is what we're going to be testing in this video. And my fingers are crossed that it works. My wallet's crossed because it was expensive. Today, we get to the bottom of this viral glitter grout.
Because nobody asked for it, but I need answers!
But before we'll get into that, we gotta talk about my outfit, because why am I looking so cute in a renovation video? I want to say a huge thank you to ThredUp for sponsoring this video, and not just a thank you for sponsoring this video, but thank you for keeping my closet looking cute. I swear at this point, I would say things I buy from ThredUp make up 80% of my closet. I am a ThredUp addict, and if you've never been on that website, you're severely missing out. Like, it's a sponsor, and I love ThredUp.
Go to ThredUp!
And thrifting from the safety of my own home, I mean, that is the perfect thing. Look at this little pairing I have on right now. Isn't it cute? The corduroy overall piece is like my favorite right now, and it was only $6.99. $6.99 is such a good deal for this, especially compared to the estimated retail. And it is in great condition, and it's the perfect little winter pairing with this cable knit sweater. And ThredUp has this amazing new feature where you can shop similar pieces to what I've bought. It's really simple, just follow my link, and if there's a piece that I've bought that you like, you can click it and shop similar items. I was on a little quest to try and find the most affordable full outfit, so let me show you what I found. Keep in mind the entire outfit I'm about to put on was $18 total for the whole thing. Like, are you serious? You hand me a $20 bill. Keep in mind $20 Canadian, and you get this outfit. This is styling on a budget. This vest, estimated retail, I paid $6.99. The jeans, estimated retail, I paid $5.60. And this knit sweater is so comfortable and so adorable. It's like very slouchy, and I really like how the pink and green go together. At this point, I have found so many amazing cute pieces that I would never be able to find in store, and I've been finding them on ThredUp for a discounted price. If you're a lover of clothes like me and you want to be kind to the environment, make sure to go over to ThredUp and use my link to shop some of my picks, and also use my code MiaMaples35 for 35% off your order.
All right, today is the day we are trying more glitter grout. As you can see, me and my parents already did the tiling. If you're wondering how we got to this point, I actually did an in-depth video on my second channel about how to tile as an amateur, taught by an amateur. It's basically, if you've never tiled before but you want to tile and you're not expecting it to be absolutely perfect, it's an instructional video. So if you have any curiosity about that, head over to the second channel after this video. But today we're going to be grouting. As you saw from the shopping, this was the grout that all of you guys were saying that I should try. Glitter crystal fix and grout. And I have yet to even look in it. I'm so excited to open it up.
It better be the most gold, beautiful sparkliness that I have ever seen.
This better work.
You better work.
Cross your fingers, everyone, because if this isn't glittery, I think I'm going to lose my mind. All right, the moment of truth. Bum, ba, bum, 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 bum. All these little plastic pieces, I swear. Oh my goodness. Oh no. Oh no, I just saw a preview of it and I didn't really like it. Like, I'm sorry. I nary to say this doesn't look like the TikTok either.
What did they use in this TikTok? Okay, so the glitter grout wasn't exactly what I thought it was gonna be when I first looked at it in the container, which I'm shocked, to be honest. It leaves me no choice but to comment out of desperation for the creator of this TikTok to respond to us. Please, for the love of all that is good.
What product are you using?
And that is desperation, my friends. The chances of actually getting a response are very slim at this point, so let's just use this grout and see how it goes. Maybe it'll dry more like the video. It's worth a try. I bought 3 tubs of it.
Look at it. Oh my gosh. It's big chunky glitter, but it doesn't look like the TikTok. What? Did you stir it? I haven't stirred it yet. Mind you, I wonder if it will dry.
That you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get it.
When you spend $300 on glitter grout. I think we have to stir it because look at how it's separated. I think maybe stuff is, the sediments might be on the bottom. Okay, hold on. First I'm going to take this top piece off and I'm going to get that out of here. Using a spatula, let's see if anything settled to the bottom. I don't even think so. I think it looks like this all the way through. I really thought that this was gonna be the grout moment. But you know what? Maybe I'm just being hard on it. It just doesn't look right. We need to see it through because this is the one that everybody said they used in the video. Okay. This is what they said. This is how it dried on the paper towel. It doesn't look good on camera. I swear this actually looks nice and shiny. It just looks like chunky glitter was dropped in here. Okay, we're gonna try it. Now, I'm not a professional. Don't be expecting professionality. Let's see, how's it looking? Oh my gosh, it looks so weird. It looks so weird. It looks like there's little golden bugs in the grout. Oh my gosh, look at this. Loving it? I don't love it. Oh my gosh. Oh! I feel like it's gonna dry pretty. It's a lot more gold than in the ones that we put glitter in ourselves. Definitely a lot more seeable, but again, it doesn't look like the TikTok, and apparently this is the one that was in the TikTok. There's no turning back now. No, it's through.
So I'm just gonna grout these tiles like I normally would and hope for the best during the drying.
Today I learned that I can't wear fuchsia underwear under my paint suit anymore. All right, you guys, here is a section that I completed. It looks very similar to the first glitter grout I did, just with a lot more chunky glitter. So we'll see how it looks. I mean, worst case scenario, I like it. It kind of looks taupe, but I'm gonna let it dry overnight and then we'll take a look, but here's what it's looking like.
Okay, so the backsplash turned out nice. It did. It looks good. I can't say it doesn't look good, but I can say that it doesn't look like the video. I will update you if we ever get a response in the TikTok. As of right now, we don't have one. Hi, as of January 16th, we still don't have a response, and we have no direction or what to do. We don't know where to go. We don't know how to solve this glitter grout mystery that no one actually cares about except for me. I don't know what my thought on glitter grout is. I feel like the closest we were to getting it right was in the bathroom during our second try, but it was like that white crystally glitter. Like maybe I should get that, but in gold. My expectations were so high, I really thought we had figured it out. We didn't. It is glitter grout. It looks good. It's like chunky glitter in a white base, which is very similar to our first try, but this time it's so chunky that you can actually see it. So I guess it's a success, but it's also half failure because it wasn't 100% correct. The other day I went into Home Depot and I basically asked like for every option of glitter grout, and I don't know if it's just where I live, everyone is boring and doesn't want glitter grout, but there was no options in the local hardware store, so I was like, it's fine. It's fine. I'm fine. And yes, I'm putting on a little bit of a show because it's funny to me that we have taken so much time to find this glitter grout, because on the grand scheme of things, it's probably not that important, but it's important to me. And I will continue to try and figure this out if you continue to want me to. If you're over it, I'll stop. I'll stop right away. But if we want to get to the bottom of it together, like, let me know. I'll keep going. As for today's video, that is all. I have another backsplash with subpar glitter grout. Now I have 3 rooms full of bad glitter grout. Anyway, and also don't forget to check out ThreadUp. You can click my link to shop some of my picks and also use Mia Maples 35 for 35% off your first order. Anyway, I'll see you in the next one. Bye!